Hey y'all, it's Arkansas Ray, and today we are flying DJI Neo drones, and we're flying them in the classroom. We are flying an obstacle course. Here's what the obstacle course looks like. All right, so this is it in a nutshell. So the way this works is, and I'm just trying to give you a glimpse of everything kind of, students will fly through this side here, we'll go right through here. I'm not going to do the whole course, but I'm going to go right through here, dodging chairs, and they will go through this hoop, and then in behind the dry erase board and the smart board. Then they come around after they do that. They'll come around right through there, right through the hoop there, through the table, through this hoop. Then they'll need to go into there and navigate their way through the pool noodles, through the hoops, and then finally they'll come back through here, go through the tunnel, and then land here. And so the first one to land is the winner. All right, let's get it started. All right, Morpheus, you can scoot up a little bit if you like. Go forward a little bit. A little bit more. All right. All right, you're in the prop wash. On your mark. Get go. I think I'm missing this part. Oh, watch out! What happened to die? All right, on your mark. Get set. Go.
Right up the spot.
Are you okay?
I am so sorry.
Remember, we're doing 2 laps.
2 laps. Alright, come on guys, lock in. Let's get smoking.
He's waiting on Morpheus. All right, pilots, on your mark. Get set, go. Who did that?
Jeez, I didn't even get to go.
I just got absolutely smoked.
Well, that ended up being a mixed result. So the first few times we did 3 races with hardly any incidents. We had a crash here and there, and it was nothing major, and everything was going along pretty good. And I was pretty impressed with the piloting skills of each person, each team. And then we decided to do one final race. We had just a little bit of time remaining, and I thought we could squeeze it in. And what happened is all of the drones went up at the same time. We got them all leveled up. And when I said go, one student put it in reverse for some reason. And when he did, he somehow backed into another drone, knocked it and himself completely out of commission, and he completely crashed. It broke a propeller off of, just unrepairable. I had to replace it. Broke the propeller, and then the other 2 that managed to get away from all that mess somehow smashed into each other and went tumbling down, and it all stopped before we could even really get started. So it ended badly, but the students had a lot of fun, and I think that they have greatly improved their piloting skills when it comes to FPV style flying. Now, those of you out there that might be going, well, that's not true FPV. I get it, but got to start somewhere, and I'm trying to build up their enthusiasm a bit too. So I think it's working out. But anyway, so it's been a great day. So that was our race. Appreciate you tuning in. That's like an old term from TV time, right? Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you subscribing, if you would please. If you haven't done so, please do so, and please give me a like. I would appreciate that very much as well. Until next time, y'all have a good one.